hiring a vehicle from Go With The Gecko, what a great choice. Our fleet of modern vans and utes represent the best value for money hire around, and we want you to get the most out of your hire. So we recommend you watch the short video for some handy hire tips. Firstly, make sure you walk around your vehicle and inspect it for any signs of damage and check all fluid levels. Whilst we regularly service and repair vehicles to make sure they remain in great condition, wear and tear can occur. To ensure an accurate record of the condition of the vehicle, we require you to take 6 pre-hire photos of all 4 sides of the vehicle and the odometer reading and fuel gauge, and email them to admin@gowiththegecko.com.au. We need you to repeat this process at the end of your hire period to ensure an accurate record of the vehicle's current condition. If you need help with submitting photographs or reporting damage, contact the number on the screen during business hours. If you are hiring one of our vehicles fitted with our remote locking and unlocking software, you will receive a link via email which will help you locate your vehicle and unlock and lock the vehicle via your smartphone. All of our utes come with steel safety cages to ensure your items can be transported safely and securely. Please be aware that some states require you to further secure your load with tie downs or additional coverings such as tarps or netting. Your vehicle should be fully fueled. Please check this before driving away. The type of fuel required for your hire vehicle can be found by viewing the label notification on the windscreen or on the inside of the fuel cap. Our vans are very easy and comfortable to drive. When starting a van, you need to ensure your foot is pushing down on the brake pedal before turning on the ignition to start your vehicle. The most important thing to remember is to avoid underground car parks and height restricted areas wherever possible. Our 1.5 tonne and 2 tonne vans are over 2 metres in height and won't fit in most public car parks or height restricted areas. So please check height restrictions before entering a car park. Reversing and manoeuvring can be tricky in tight spaces, as these vans need to turn wider than the average passenger car. We recommend you ask a friend or colleague to help you when manoeuvring, especially when reversing. Some vehicles are fitted with tow bars. If you plan to tow items, please make sure you have notified us at the time of booking. To assist with towing or when carrying heavier loads, our larger vans are fitted with a button marked kg, which needs to be pressed for a more efficient and safer towing experience. And driver seat suspension can be adjusted for a softer or firmer setting depending on the driver's preference and weight. The seat adjustment can be found under the seat. In the event of a breakdown, you must contact us immediately. Our roadside assistance hotline number is located on the windscreen sticker and on your hire agreement. In the event you are involved in an accident, call us immediately. If our office is closed, download and complete the collision report form on our website. All hires come with standard insurance cover, but excess reduction cover can be pre-purchased to lower the insurance excess costs payable by you in the event you need to make a claim. We highly recommend you pre-purchase this added insurance cover. That's it. You're ready to enjoy your vehicle hire from Go With The Gecko. Remember, you can't smoke in the vehicles, and don't forget to clean out the vehicle and take any valuables with you. And follow all the road rules and drive safely. If you have any questions, contact us through the number or email address on the screen. Thank you for watching and have fun.